Well, we're getting out of the package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Record Shop X out of Finland. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Record Shop X. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see if we got what we wanted here. I already took a little pre-slice to save time. I did bubble wrap the contents. And no manifest. So I did take some notes. First up, something interesting. This is Dr. Hasbeen Signs Used 2 CD gatefold digipak with 12-page booklet. So this is something I've not seen in person before, although I have seen images online. You can see there, Dr. Hasbeen. I'll try to drop some links in the description, but I'll leave it up to you to do your own research as well. You can see here a little holographic sticker there. Black Widow Records, so that matches the info I've heard about. There's CD1, CD2, and there's our booklet. Very nice. Ooh, more images. I'm curious, is there anything? Nope, regular CDs. In fact, I'm curious now. I don't think these have ever been played. So this may be used, but that might have been how they advertised it, because there is no original packaging or shrink wrap. But it does appear to be new, so I'm quite excited to listen to this later. Dr. Hasbeen Signs 2 CD version with booklet. Okay, next up is something, oh, it's actually shrink wrapped. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut this open. Give me a second. Okay, I got the shrink wrap off. And the description for this one specifically is Hawkwind, Church of Hawkwind, remastered plus 5 bonus tracks. So actually, I had a copy of Church of Hawkwind. We can actually compare the basic CD version. You can see here the artwork is a little bit different already with that, possibly. And so it looks like the door just came right off a little easier than I thought. Let's see if I can get the booklet out. Okay, so yeah, slight variation in the print of the image of the wings there. The camera's picking it up. Turn on the back, look, different images. This is my older one. This one has an image of Dave Brock right there, and Adam Henge, as opposed to this printing that I have here, Canadian. This is Griffin music. So, yeah, this one's from Adam Henge, Cherry Red Records. So keep this together. Okay, interesting. Notice the backs are different. And my CD did not look like this. My CD was the silver type with kind of the Hawkwind logo and kind of a psychedelic image saying Church of Hawkwind as well. So this is already a little bit different. This door keeps popping off. I might have to get a replacement. Looks like we also have a teaser of other titles from this label. It looks like we got Chronicle of the Black Sword. Possibly Love in Space, Levitation, Live Chronicles, Sonic Attack, and Alien 4. So So here's the extra tracks there. Trying to see, we have a track listing. Let's see if the book is different as well. Yep, different booklets. Interesting. This one has a lot more text. There's that image with also a quote as well from Dr. Technical. Okay, now we're getting into the artwork. Interesting. Looks like this image might have been stretched compared to this one. Different. This is there. The printing is different. That's a little bit different too. Different typeset. This one has Damage of Life, but this one jumps right to Virgin of the World, Experiment of Destiny. And we have Looking in the Future. Again, different images and different text layout. And then mine ends right there, the older one, and this newer one has a little bit more there. So very interesting. So now I have another working copy of Church of Hawkwind by Hawkwind with 5 extra bonus tracks. Can't wait to listen to that either as well. It'll be a choice between Dr. Hasbeen Signs with the 2 CD. That's why there's a crack there. So that's why this might have been listed as used. But these were quite affordable. So I jumped on the opportunity to replenish this back into the catalog at home, and now we have something else. So these all came from Record Shop X in Finland. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Record Shop X. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp tools, and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.